Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform and I'm going to be trading cryptocurrencies utilizing one indicator here. And that indicator, if we click on the indicator icon, is known as the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. Okay, so when we pull up the indicator here, we see a great green line and a red line. The green line represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red line represents a dynamic level of support. And as you see over time here, those lines change, over time. Okay, so in the indicator settings here, I have the period set to 2, which is the default setting, so we're going to keep the default setting. While in my style settings, I've only changed the background to white here. And the reason why is because it makes the lines easier to view. Okay, and for my candlestick chart, I have the candle set to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've also set the timer to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on Polkadot. I had a little problem with my cursor here, but I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is the previous green candle here closed outside the upper boundary of the fractal chaos band line here, suggesting a bullish trade to the upside, a bullish breakout over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. So I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Chainlink and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade, I saw this strong green candle developing, and I know it was going to close outside the fractal chaos band line boundary here, which suggests to me I'm anticipating a bullish breakout to the upside over the next 60 seconds here. And even though the candle hasn't closed yet, I didn't wait for the candle to close because I noticed a strong. Okay, so now the candle closed, but I already took the trade, and so I believe the price will continue to push upward over the next 60 seconds of the trade here. All right. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Avalanche Crypto, and I just took a buy trade here. Uh, and the reason why I took the buy trade is because this candle here is set to close outside the upper boundary of this fractal chaos band line. And you're also seeing a bullish trend in the price. And so I anticipate this candle will close above the band line here, the green band line, in which, okay, so the price just closed above the band line, but I didn't wait for the price to close because uh, of this strong band line here. And I anticipated that the price would close outside the band line. All right, so let's monitor this trade. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Litecoin, and I just took a sell trade or a put trade. All right, so the candle just closed. This candle just closed outside the fractal chaos band line here, which suggests that there's going to be a continued breakout to the downside here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Oh, wow. Okay, so we broke even on that trade. We didn't win, we didn't lose that trade. Break even trade. So let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Cardano and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is because the previous red candle closed below the Fractal Chaos line boundary, which suggests that there's going to be a continued downward trend in the price. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Wow, another break-even trade. Amazing. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Litecoin crypto, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is the previous red candle here closed outside the lower boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band line, which suggests to me that there's going to be a bearish breakout to the downside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade. It seems to be going in our direction here. Uh, all right, so I didn't wait for the candle, the previous red candle to close. I knew it was going to close below the band line here, so I went ahead and took the trade. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to close out the session here. We had a couple of break-even trades, but overall we had a successful session here. And so if you like the video, I would appreciate you giving me a thumbs up, a like, share the video with your friends, your colleagues. If you're interested in trading this strategy, I have a link to the platform in the channel, in the video comments, and in the channel description. So thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt, and I'll see you in the next video.